Good afternoon. This is Kelly with the video coming at you again for October 21st, 2021. Today in this powerful YouTube video, I was going to talk about Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper is a beverage that I have been drinking ever since I was basically 5 years old. It's a really, really good soft drink. I totally love it, and it makes me happy. You know, some people, to be happy, they always eat what they like. They always want to have something that makes them feel good. So the point in the video is, if you eat and drink something that you like, that is how you ground your energies. Just by drinking a simple thing of soda. You know, just a good old Dr. Pepper. It's been around for a long time. It's really, really good. And you can't beat it. So refreshing. So refreshing in so many ways. Well, happy Friday, everybody. So that's what I was going to make a video about today, was about Dr. Pepper and what it does for you, what it does for me. I have been drinking Dr. Pepper basically probably for the last 42 years of my life. And trust me, for me, it grounds my energies. You know, if I feel like I'm a little out of balance, I just drink one of those and boy, I'm good to go. I think it's one of the best beverages that you could possibly have. You know, sometimes in life they say, you know, you should try to eat something that's good for you and try to be healthy. But sometimes I think it's very good to drink something that is maybe not as healthy. Just because it can give you a sense of happiness. And by drinking something that you like, that makes you feel good, that's it right there. Because I make different videos about law of attraction, manifestation. But one thing that's also important that I've come to find out is when you're trying to balance your energies, you also have to ground yourself. You know, that's one thing that I believe that is very, very important, is to ground your energy. Sometimes you have to ground your chakras, you know, because if you don't do it, things can really get out of control. And I would highly recommend drinking that. You know, they say on the thing that sodas and all this stuff's not good for you, but actually I think it's very good for you. Just by eating and drinking something that you totally love can make all the difference in the world. You know, some people, they just want to have some cake. You know, even having cake also can really, really ground your aura. It can really ground your energies. And it can just really, really put you in a much better mood. And especially right now, going into fall, a lot of people start to get depressed because of the weather. You know, it's getting cold in the morning. The leaves are changing. So it's natural for people to feel depressed sometimes, you know, because now that summer's coming to an end and, you know, there's a change. So that's what I do to balance my energies and to keep myself grounded. Sometimes I just drink a good bottle of Dr. Pepper. You know, for me, I'm not a drinker. I'm not a smoker. I don't, you know, do any of that. I just sometimes just like a good old Dr. Pepper with sometimes even some donuts, you know. And just by doing that, you ground your energy and you ground your aura. And so I just wanted to share that in this video. You know, last night when I did my lottery prediction, I got you guys close on my prediction. Got you really close. I got 2 numbers out of 4. So I didn't quite hit the lottery number last night, but I was close. So 2 out of 4 is not bad. So maybe I'll hold off on a while for the lottery predictions, you know. But always remember, when you feel like you need to ground yourself, Just drink one of these and then life will be really, really make you happy. And that's why they name it Dr. Pepper. Because that's what it's meant for. It's like the doctor, you know, it's prescribing you to ground yourself. And there's a lot of benefits can come out of drinking a good old Dr. Pepper. So I just wanted to share that in this video. I hope you all have a wonderful Friday. I hope you have a great weekend. And I will be seeing you tomorrow in tomorrow's YouTube video. Thank you very much and have a great weekend.